I have a need of helping people, and you know, a lot of people would just say, well, I like the idea of being a doctor, and I'm gonna recognize right here today that, you know, helping other people makes me feel good, and it's just the way I work, you know what I mean, and I have to you know, recognize that it's not necessarily about the profession, it's about helping people in a smart way. And this is why I'm doing this, and it was just the way things kind of like fell into place for me as I went through, you know, my education, and you know, some biases that my family had, and I had the need to help people, and this seemed to be like the easiest way to do it. So that's why I went to medical school, and then I ended up, you know, doing neurology, because, you know, it was the brain decade that Reagan was talking about, and I have to tell you that this had an impact everywhere in the world. In the little country of Romania, it did have an impact too, and a lot of people were looking at neurology in a different way when I was training, and you know, I just had some inspiring teachers, and here I am. I mean, I'm doing neuro-oncology because I'm a neurologist, and I had some inspiring teachers that, you know, were great, wonderful neuro-oncologists. And I just want to mention here, you know, Dr. Victor Levin. He actually started the neuro-oncology department in Houston, in MD Anderson Cancer Center, and he is a Milwaukeean. And he was born here, and he is seen kind of like the father of neuro-oncology. And then when I was talking to him about, you know, I really like Aurora, and I like, you know, I like what's going on there. And you know, I talked to him, and he said, look, it's cold, but you have to go there because this is my native town, and I trained you, and I needed to go there. You know what I mean? You need to pay back what I, you know, did for you, and it's time for you to pay back, and you need to be in Milwaukee.